Okay, I'm at the grocery store and I'm getting ready to do a quick grocery haul. So I'm going to show you some of the things I'm going to buy today for my keto diet and for keto meal preparation. So I'm over in the frozen vegetables right now, and this is some rice cauliflower that they have. So this is very good to get and to use on the keto diet. I'm going to get the rice cauliflower and the California blend style organic vegetables. Here they also have some rice veggies, and this is called kohlrabi. I haven't tried it, but people say that it's pretty good. I'd like to first learn how to cook it, and then I'd possibly try it on the diet. I did notice that they have some classic ranch, Sir Kensington's, it's made with avocado oil. And I'm looking at the back of it. It seems to be keto friendly. I'll try that. There's a lot of noise in here, so I'm getting my mustard. This one says no sugar added. Let me see what it has. Oh, it's got sucralose. So, and they got some frozen strawberries. Frozen blueberries, I'm sorry. Got frozen blueberries, raspberries, I get my spinach. I can pop out spinach, and it looks like it has some kale also today. So then I need my salad. So I'll get the iceberg salad. June the 21st. Fresh mushrooms. Very, very good to have on the keto diet, fresh mushrooms. And my asparagus. Okay, and asparagus. And I've already have several heads of the cauliflower. I only have 2 heads, but I use them pretty fast, so I know they're gonna go fast. They don't usually turn on me. Some lemons. I get a couple of those. I already picked out my avocado. Tomato. I'll take one of those fresh tomatoes. Let's see, on this aisle, I will take some. They have the regular relish, and I'll take some dill pickles. But let me look and see what they have. Look at the sweet relish in the back. Sweet relish. Let's see how much sugar this has. It does have sugar, cucumber, sugar, water, vinegar, salt. And it's the second listed on the label, so it might have quite a bit of sugar. We have 5 carbs. Too many carbs. I gotta use that. Okay, let's see. I already have olives at home. I use olives. I like to make pizza. So on my pizzas I put olives. Now some people do buy canned goods. You can buy canned goods. But if you do buy canned goods, wash those veggies before you use them. You should wash those veggies before you use them because canned goods usually have a lot of sodium on them. So you want to make sure that you don't overdo it with the sodium when you're using canned goods. Now here's some. Excuse me. Here's some salt. And here's the salt. They have the Himalayan pink salt. They got the coarse grind. And there's several different kinds of Himalayan salt. There's even Himalayan white salt. And some Himalayan black salt. I've never tried that one.
No, it's okay.
They have extra virgin olive oil. Green extra virgin. So I'm going to get some olive oil and I just get a big container. Listen here. Okay, I'm going to grab some. I like to use this chicken to make chicken salad. So I'm going to grab a couple of cans of this. I like the albacore tuna. I was checking to see if they had any of that in. Albacore tuna. But I think I have just about everything I need. I have eggs and everything else at the house. So that was just a quick grocery haul. I wanted to show you some of the things that you can buy while you're on the keto diet that are good foods to eat. Okay, getting ready to go pay. Bye-bye.